Hi everyone, myself Amit Baran. Today I will discuss about the love #life. What is love? Love is a physical reaction in humans consisting typically of rhythmical, often audible contraction of diaphragm and other part of the respiratory system. It is a response to certain external and internal stimulation. Generally, we don't like this picture. What we like this. In our daily life, we use various emotions in e-media to express our emotion. This emotion is directly related to our various mental condition. So thereby, we should know why do we love. We love for four reasons. Surprise, you are getting something new which is unexpected, you will be surprised. Release, you are in the tension, and after a certain time the tension has been released. Your smile is called release. Incongruity, which is not suitable for you, which is not consistent with you, in that case that smile is called incongruity. Superiority, we all are familiar with this situation. Superiority. Statistics say that if there is 100 love, 91 will come from children and 9 will come from the adult. Thereby, children are more energetic, they are more bright, their heart and lungs is more strong than us, they look younger, moreover, their respiratory function is very fast and strong than adult. On the other hand, we may have a question in our mind that does fake laughter do our health good? Research says that 79% may not work good for our health. 19% says that it may work for our good health, and 2% don't find there is no conclusion from the 2%. Someone says that smile can act as a vitamin S. It was observed that it has an effect on younger look. It can increase the younger look 19.3%. It will relieve the pain up to 15.4%. It will increase the strength of our heart up to 14.6%. And it can increase the prevention of cancer or immunity system 12.8%. And it can increase the respiratory system function of respiratory system 12.8% and many more. Thereby, we can say that the vitamin S or love may act as a medicine on human body. So thereby, we should understand the relationship between the time and love. If we have 15-second love in a day, we'll increase 2 days in our lifespan. If we have 45-second love in a day, we can prevent the high blood pressure and reduce the stresses. If there is a 1 minute love in a day, which is equivalent to 15-minute exercise in a day, and the 15-minute, it will reveal more pain than the average. Thereby, at the end, I would like to say, smile as much as possible and live your life. Thank you very much. For the preparation of slide, I have referred these sources. Thank you very much.